How would you like a fun, inexpensive way to really challenge yourself with your rimfire? I'm going to show you the Caldwell KYL Rimfire Challenge Set, and we're going to set it up and see how it works. Let's go have some fun. And here it is. This is the Caldwell KYL Rimfire Challenge Set. Now, let me just be clear. This is made for rimfire shooting only. Even though it says AR500, it is only 1/4-inch AR500, making it suitable for rimfire. You do not want to shoot center fire at this. And you might be saying, well, why is it only 1/4-inch? Well, part of it's portability, setup, usability. It's just a lot easier when you have a lighter weight KYL range that you want to use. Before we get started with the assembly, just something real quick to let you know that it is a toolless assembly, meaning you don't have to worry about forgetting something when you head out to the range. As long as you have the parts, you're going to be able to assemble it. Something else that's really nice about this set, it has their lifetime guarantee here. So as long as you're using it within the scope of rimfire, they're going to replace any parts that are damaged or destroyed. I've got a Bergara B14R waiting for me out there that is zeroed in at 50 yards. We've got a little bit of wind and we're going to see what we can do. But like I said, first things first, we need to get this thing put together. So you can see here, very simple construction. It took me all of maybe 5 minutes, so that included pulling it out of the packaging. Once you have it unpacked, it's going to be even easier. I really like this. It's super simple. The way they have these spacers set up, it still allows for a lot of good swing on it, and it's definitely going to fit into the rack the way it's supposed to. I've had a couple different KYLs over the years for myself, and one of the problems I've always had is with these migrating one way or the other on the post. But they really seem to do a nice job of making sure you have the right amount of spacing so that you're going to get good swing without any kind of weird variables. So with that, why don't we go head out to the 50-yard range and see what we can do with it. You know, you can see it sits in real well. It's nice and stable. I'm not really seeing any problems with it. Everything's going to be swinging nicely on it. And that's about all we can ask for. So we're maybe, I don't know, 2 yards shy of 50 yards here, but I think that's going to work real nice. Ooh. Ooh. There we go. Yeah! It started snowing the next day and we had some other shooting to do up at the ridgeline, so we brought the target along and gave it another go. Just like that. Hey! And here we are, kind of wrapping up our first thoughts on this KYL system. Now, I've usually shot on steels, you know, some kind of heavier metal KYL, and they're definitely going to stay in place a little bit better. I mean, look, it's going to be the trade-off between a lighter weight, easier to transport system and a much heavier system if it's all steel. Me personally, I think for rimfire, this is going to be really tough to beat. You might have seen when I hit some of the targets, it would knock just a little bit. You could see that there was a little bit of movement. And if I'm being honest, if I look, you can see where the feet have sort of worn in about a 1-inch pattern just from vibration. But it had absolutely zero effect on me actually shooting. And you could see when I shot that clean across it, even with it bouncing a little bit, it had no effect on the target's resetting or their ability to spin properly. Using rimfire on it as it's designed, there's obviously no damage to any of the targets. There's good splatter. The paint's obviously coming off and you're just going to keep touching that up, which is traditional with any kind of KYL or even metal targets for that matter. But the construction itself really seems nice. You've got these spacers that we put in and they've really allowed for a lot of good swing. You saw every one of these make really nice movement, and even when I glanced a couple of the targets, they gave you the indication that there was in fact an impact. All of those things combined for a really successful Rimfire KYL target system. Again, very easy to break down. I could simply pull these legs out like this, break it down, throw it into the back of my truck or car, and I'd be ready to go. I would say with that, very successful system. It's priced right, it's easy to use, and it is a really good visual indicator of how well you're shooting, and obviously great practice. With that, I do hope you get a chance to go out and shoot, have some fun, and we will talk later. Have a good one.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're watching Ultimate Reloader on TV and want to take advantage of free resources, exclusives, and hot deals, just hold your camera phone up to the QR code, tap on the link, fill out the information, boom, you're getting Ultimate Reloader emails. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, we're on Facebook, YouTube, Rumble, where we've got unrestricted content, and Instagram. Make sure to follow us on all those channels. Ultimate Reloader also has a commercial solutions division serving law enforcement, the military, and the gun industry. We have some unique capabilities, including a comprehensive suite of recoil testing and evaluation capabilities, trigger profiling, and more. Thanks again for watching.